Good morning. Welcome. You are watching Bikash English classes. And today's topic is error spotting. Error spotting is very important for your all competitive examinations. The first question. The vaccine when hit the market is dogged by controversies. Option A, B, C, D. The vaccine, right? When hit the market, hit means not attack. Hit means not आघात करवा नहीं. Hit the market means reach the market. Is dogged by controversies. विभिन्न विवाद मान कथारे बर्तमान घेरी रही. एरर कोठी अच्छे. देखिए आप the vaccine is correct. When hit the market ठीक अच्छे. जतरे बाजार में पहुंचला बाजार प्रवेश कला is dogged by controversies. Error is here. Is dogged. Hit is in past tense. Hit is in past tense. So the another verb that is it cannot be present. It must be was. Here is the option. This is wrong. It must be was. Then it will be correct. Second question. His son is working very hardly. His son, correct. Is working is correct. Very hardly. Very hardly. Very hardly रो अर्थ कौन? Very hardly रो अर्थ वाला कुचित. एठी आपसी जैसे तार पुओटा बहुत जोर रे परिश्रम करुची. हार्ड एडवर्ब हार्डली नुहे. एमिति अछि बहुत शब्द मनकर सॉफ्ट अछि तार एडवर्ब हे जो सॉफ्टली FTLY. क्विक अछि तार एडवर्ब हे जो क्विकली. किंतु हार्ड जो शब्द अछि हार्ड एडवर्ब ता हार्डली नुहे. हार्ड एडवर्ब हार्डली अर्थ होला क्वचित. So the mistake is here in section C. It must be hard. So here is the mistake. Question 3. Did you know that it was I who have done it? D. No error. Did you know that? ठीक अछि. It was I. ठीक अछि. Who have. You just mark here. The tense is very important. Here it is the past tense. Here it is the past tense. Here it is the past tense did. Past simple. It was I. ठीक है. It was I who have. Have cannot come here. Because this is called parallelism. If one part is in past tense, the other part must be in past tense. Here it is a present tense. So it must be hard. If it is hard, then it is correct. Here is the correct mistake. Here is the error. Question number 4. The company has ordered for new equipment. The company बरात करिछि has ordered for new equipment. किछि नुआ जंत्र पाई ऑर्डर देछि बा से ऑर्डर बुक करिछि. ठीक अछि. आदि कोडी भूल अछि has ordered. has ठीक अछि. ऑर्डर has लागिछि प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट अछि. has लागिछि एक क्रियाटा भी थर्ड अछि. दी कंपनी ठीक अछि had ordered for new equipment. इक्विपमेंट भी ठीक अछि. एटा प्लूरल हेइनी सिंगुलर अछि. ठीक अछि. अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. for here is the mistake. ऑर्डर पर कोनसी प्रीपोजिशन लागे नाही. there are certain verbs those who don't take preposition, like I have ordered for tea. This is wrong. For cannot be used here. The police are investigating into the murder case. This is all Here it is wrong. There is no preposition. The police are investigating murder case. The girl, the daughter resembles with her mother. This is wrong. Resembles, there is no preposition. The daughter resembles her mother is correct. The police are investigating into. This is wrong. No preposition. The daughter resembles with. This is wrong. No preposition. Similarly, so many things are there. They discussed a lot about the case. This is also wrong. There is no preposition. Discuss never takes preposition. They discussed a lot the case. I have ordered tea, not for tea. The police are investigating into. This is wrong. No preposition. The daughter resembles with. This is wrong. The daughter resembles her mother. Correct. The police are investigating the murder case. Correct. I have ordered tea, not for tea. That is correct. That's wrong. They discussed a lot about is wrong. They discussed a lot the case. So here is the wrong. Here is the mistake. Ordered for. This is wrong. This must be omitted here. Here is the wrong mistake. Then comes question number 5. Those sort of mangoes taste very sweet. से जो प्रकार आंब गुड़िक बहुत मीठा लगती ठीक अच्छे दो सॉर्ट ऑफ मैंगो से प्रकार आंब गुड़िक भल लग मीठा लगती ठीक अच्छे दोज सॉर्ट ठीक मैंगोज ठीक टेस्ट एटा अच्छे प्लूरल ये भी ठीक अच्छे प्लूरल सो एग्रीमेंट वर्ब अच्छे टेस्ट अच्छे ठीक अच्छे वेरी स्वीट इज आल्सो करेक्ट सो वेयर इज द मिस्टेक इज हियर सॉर्ट मैंगोज It is plural. As it is plural, it must be plural. So it must be sorts. It must be sorts. S-O-R-T-S. It must be sorts. If it is sorts, then the sentence is correct. Right? Then comes question number 6. His composition is inferior than mine. His composition is inferior than mine. Inferior, superior, those take preposition to. Inferior, superior, they take senior, junior, all this take article to. So here not than is wrong. If it is to, then it is correct. So the mistake is in part C, right? Then comes question number 7. The old man with his children who was waiting at the gate. ठीक अच्छे the old man with his children ता पिला मानक सहित बुढ़ा लोकटी who was waiting जे अपेक्षा करूथला ठीक अच्छे at the gate से फाटक पाखरे हास ठीक अच्छे एटा सिंगुलर अच्छे हास ठीक अच्छे गॉट ठीक अच्छे एटा प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट गॉट V3 अच्छे they are you know they are so this is called parallelism. What is parallelism means the part here you know who is the relative pronoun and this part is antecedent. This part is antecedent. If it is singular, after that everything must be singular. The old man with his children, as it is singular, correct? It is correct, tense is correct. They are, you know, they are. This is wrong. Is. This will be correct. Thank you. If you like this video, please have a like. Thank you so much.